Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about that another chapter of the algebra, linear equations in one variable. What is linear equations, children? First we can discuss about that. What is equation? What is the meaning of equation? You know, children, this one already learned in 5th standard. Any statement it shows the equality. Suppose you want to take 2 is equal to 2, exactly same. So the definition of equation means any mathematical statement shows the equality. Mathematical statement shows the equality. What is the statement? So children, what we can say, that is the statement. In any mathematical statement shows the equality. Suppose you want to take a 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. It is showing equality. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. 2x minus 3 is the LHS. LHS means what? Left hand side. So this is 7 is the RHS. What is that? Right hand side. So is equal to means it shows the equality. Children, very important this one. So is equal to left side is having then also LHS and is equal to right side is having right hand side. It is the is equal to. It shows the is equal equality. So in any mathematical statement is already know that one. There also numbers and variables. This is numbers and this is variables. Correct, children? So that's why we can consider this one mathematical statement. Statement means what we can say, that is the statement. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Here LHS, it is exactly equal to the RHS. So this is the equation. So what is the linear equation? Linear equation, it is the type of the equation. So how many types of equation is there? You want to learn, children. First, equation is over. Any mathematical statement shows the equality is called equation. Now we will discuss about the types of equation. Shall I write, children, this one? Okay. See here. First, types of equation. How many types is there? There are different types of equations is there. First we can learn one by one. What is that? So, types of equation. First one is linear equation. Name also indicated, means linear means single. Linear equation. The equation is having shows the equality. It is a linear equation, is a type of the equation. This is one of the type of equation. One of the type of the equation. Type of a equation. So it is variable power is equal to 1. It is variable power is equal to 1. Power is equal to 1, children. This is linear equation. Suppose you want to take 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. This is the variable power is not there, means it is equal to 1. Highest power or degree is equal to 1. We can consider highest power of the variable is called a degree. 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. So the general form of one linear equation is very important. What is the general form of linear equation? Very important. General form. General form is very important to us. So general form of linear equation with one variable. Only first we can discuss about that one variable. After we will discuss about the two variables. Suppose ax plus b or ax plus c is equal to 0. Here x is the one variable. A is then also coefficient of x. Children, here where a is not is equal to 0. Where a is not is equal to 0. C is constant. This is general form of one variable of linear equation. General form of linear equation with one variable. So this is ax plus c is equal to 0. Suppose two variables means want to take general form. How you can consider? Two variable, children, very simple. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here also, where a should not be is equal to 0. So this is the general form of linear equation with one variable. This is the general form of linear equation with the two variables. Children, you can understand first what is the equation means. It is the any statement and this shows the equality. Types of equation is different types is there. First we can learn linear equation with one variable. So it is linear equation means it is one of the type of equation. It is having variable power. It is equal to 1 or first degree. Degree is considered highest power of the variable. Children, now we can discuss about that some solutions of the linear equations. So now we will discuss about the solutions of linear equations. Shall I have children this one? Okay, very good. So we will discuss about the examples and solutions of the linear equations. First, what is that? We can discuss about that solving linear equations. Solve linear equations. Linear equations. Okay, with variable. Suppose you want to take, what is that question? 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7, children. So how we can find the values of x here? So 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. X value is unknown value. Children, first, so that you want to take this 3 minus 3 is transpose. They also transpose into RHS. Transpose into RHS. Already you know that one. LHS is equal to left side is there. This is LHS. And is equal to right side. This is RHS. So this minus 3 is constant is there. That is we can transfer to RHS. This minus 3 will transfer into RHS. Children, write as it is 2x foot is equal to 7 is there. Minus this minus 3 will completely will come into RHS means sign will become changes. Here minus 3 is there will become that is plus 3. So children, now we want to take 2x. 7 plus 3 is how much? 10. X is equal to 10 by 2. Children, now we can divide 2 ones are 2 5s are. X is equal to how much, children? X is equal to 5. Any doubt, children, here? Suppose you want to take 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Find the values of x. So this is 2x minus 3 is RHS. 7 is the, sorry, 2x minus 3 is the LHS. 7 is the RHS. This constant is there, no minus 3. That minus 3 will transform into the RHS. Right as it is 2x is equal to right 7 as it is. This minus 3 will come into right hand side, that is plus 3. 2x is equal to 7 plus 3 is 10. X is equal to this 2 will come into denominator because this is product will come into denominator. So you want to divide 2 ones are 2 5. The value of x is equal to 5 children. As well as we can solve the similar problems. Shall I have this one? So now we want to take another step. Okay, children. Very good. So next example 2. What is that example 2, children? Now we want to take solve 2x plus 9 is equal to y. Solve 2x plus y is equal to, sorry, 2x plus 9 is equal to 4. Children, here also you want to find the value of x, whatever. So here find the value of x. Children, as well as here plus 9 is transfer into right RHS, as well as here transfer into RHS. Children. So how we can write here? 2x is equal to 4. This plus 9 will completely come into RHS, means that is minus 9. So plus 9 will come into RHS, will become minus 9. So now we want to write here 2x is equal to minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. Correct, students? So 2x is equal to minus 5. Then you want to write x is equal to minus 5. This 2 will come into denominator. The value of x is equal to minus 5 by 2, or you can divide minus 5 by 2. X is equal to, you want to write minus 2.5, because 2 2s are 4 and 1 is there. You can make a point and 2 5s are 10. X is equal to minus 2.5. You can understood, children? So now we want to go to exercise sums. We want to solve the exercise sums. Exercise 3.1, children. Very simple solutions. Shall I rub, children, this one? Okay, very good. Want to take, children? What is the first question? Exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. See, children. Exercise 3.1. What is that question? Exercise 3.1. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equation. Solve the following equations. Children, now you want to take first question. What is that first question? Is first line this one? First question is, okay, x minus 2 is equal to 7. X minus 2 is equal to 7. How we can solve x minus 2 is equal to 7? Children, write as it is. This minus 2 is transfer into RHS. Okay? Transfer into completely RHS. Right hand side. So here, which is the RHS? X minus 2 is the LHS and 7 is the RHS. Correct, children? This minus 2 will come into RHS side. Right as it is, x is equal to 7. This minus 2 will completely come into RHS. Right hand side, means that is will become minus, will become plus 2. So now, children, you can add. What is the value of x is equal to 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Correct, children? The value of x is equal to 7 plus 2 means 9. Okay, children. Now we can discuss about that another side. Shall I rub this one? Okay, children. So you want to take next sum. What is that next sum? Y plus 3 is equal to 10. Y plus 3 is equal to 10, children. So now say, doing like that only, this plus 3 will transfer into right hand side. Plus 3 is transfer into, okay, children, transfer into RHS, right hand side. So children, now you want to write y is equal to 10. This plus 3 will completely come into RHS, means that it will become minus 3. Children, now you can subtract 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. What is the value of y is equal to how much? 7. Okay, children. So next, you want to solve, try this. I will give the homework. So this might. So children, try these two sums. First, do it yourself. What is that sums? First one is 6 is equal to z plus 2. 6 is equal to z plus 2. Second one is, what is that? Okay, 6x or 6 minus 3 is equal to x. So this, children, try these two sums. So similar for your exercise sum, children. Okay, children. Next we will discuss about that. Next question. Shall I have this one? Okay. Very good. Children, now we will solve the fraction like that sums. How we can solve? Okay, you want to take fourth one. How? X 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Children, here fraction like sum, it is also very easy. 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. So here this 3 by 7 will transfer into the RHS. So now right here 3 by 7 is transferring. So transferring to RHS. How we can write? Very simple. So write as it is, x is equal to 17 by 7. This plus 3 by 7 will completely RHS, means plus 3 by 7 will becomes, so minus 3 by 7. See children, here x right as it is, here also 7, here also 7. The LCM is same, the denominator right as it is 7. Children, now we want to take 17 minus 3. Correct children? So now we want to write x is equal to 17 minus 3 is equal to how much? 14 divided by 7. Now we can divide children. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. What is the value of x here? X is equal to 2 children. Correct children? So here 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7 is equal. This 3 by 7 will transfer into RHS, means right as it is, x is equal to right 17 by 7. This plus 3 by 7 will come into RHS, means will becomes minus 3 by 7. Children, x right as it is, here also 7 is there, here also 7 is there, denominator LCM is same children. So now we want to write 17 minus 3, easily subtracted. Right, x as it is, 17 minus 3 is equal to how much? 14. 14 by 7. So 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 4. X is equal to how much? X is equal to 2 children. Shall I rub children this one? So next we can solve another product like sums. Okay children. Shall I rub this one? Very good. Children, now we can take 6x is equal to 12. We want to find the sum. So here 6 into x, this is product 6x. So children, now we want to write here x is equal to 12. This product 6 is there, will come into denominator. This 6 will come into denominator. That's why here 6 will come into denominator. Now we will divide 12 by 6. So 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja. What is the value of x here? X is equal to 2 children. Correct children? So children, do it. Next another sum. So like that sum. So sixth one. What is that children? T by 5 is equal to 10. T divided by 5 is equal to 10. Children, here want to find the t. So here t by 5 is equal to 10. Here also fraction is there. Here also only number is there. That's why not there any number means in denominator that is equal to 1 children. So two fraction in between is equal to there, means we can cross multiply children. Now how we can cross multiply? T into 1 is equal to how much? T. So now 5 into 10 is equal to how much children? 5 tens are 50. The value of t is equal to 50 children. Correct children? Okay, very good. Oh, children, now I will give this type of sum. So two sums, homework, try this. Okay children, now you want to take this like sum. What is that? 2x by 3 is equal to 18. 2x by 3 is equal to 18 and 1.6 divided by, what is that? 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5 is equal to y divided by 1.5. You can cross multiple and its divide means you can divide. Okay children. So next You want to go to next sum, children. What is that next sum? Okay, children, now you want to take 11. Shall I rub children this one? Okay. What is that? 11th one. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9, children. So this plus 17 will transfer into right hand side. Now we can write, children, here 17 is transfer into RHS. Transfer into RHS. How we can write, children? Here write 6p is equal to write 9 as it is. This plus 7 will come into RHS, mean that is, so plus 17 will come into RHS, that is minus 17. Children, now you can write 6p is equal to, then also how we can write, children, here? Okay, 17 minus 9 is how much? That is 8, children. So how we can write here? 8. So now we can write p is equal to 8 by 3. Correct, children? 8 by 6, not for 3. This 6 will come into denominator. Children, see, here 8 is there, here 6 is there. Can easily reduce this type of sums. How? Because you want to take 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6. Children, now you want to write the value of p is equal to 4 by 3. Correct, children? Any doubt here? 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. So 17 is transferring to RHS. 6p is equal to 9. This plus 17 will come into our right hand side, means minus 17. Write 6p. 17 minus 17 plus 9 is how much, children? That is also minus 8. So now we want to write here minus 4 by 3. The value of p is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay, children. Last sum is there in this exercise. We want to solve that one. Okay, children. Shall I write this one? Okay, thank you, children. So now we want to take 12th sum. It is a little bit different, but very easy. So how we can write? X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. Correct, children? Children, now we can write 1 is transferring to RHS. So now we can write 1 is transferring to RHS. Transferring to RHS. How we can write? Okay. X by 3 is there. 7 by 5. This plus 1 will come to RHS, means minus 1. Correct, children? Now we want to take x by 3 as it is equal to, you can cross multiply or you can take LCM. Children, 7. 15 ones are how much, children? 15 divided by LCM is 50. Correct, children? Children, now we want to take, you can easily write that one. X by 3 is equal to 15 minus 7. How much, children, you want to take? Okay, that is also minus 8 divided by, so 50. Children can divide this one x by 3. So here also denominator is there. Then also here also denominator 15 is there. You can easily divide it by 3 and 15. Here 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Because, children, x by 3, x is the numerator and 3 is the denominator, minus 8 is the numerator and 15 is the denominator. Children, denominator can easily divide it. 3 1s are 3. So 3 5s are 15. Children, how we can write here? X by 1 is equal to minus 8 by 5. Children, now we can cross multiply. X into 5 is equal to 5x, or 1 into minus 8 is equal to minus 8. Children, now we can write here. So x is equal to minus 8 is there. This plus 5 will come into denominator. That is, value of x is equal to minus 8 by 5. Children, once again see that this one x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 50. plus 1 is transferring to RHS. Right, x by 3 is equal to 7 by 15, right, as it is. This plus 1 will come into right hand side, means minus 1. Right, as it is x by 3. 7 children, here see 15 and 1 is LCM is 15 children. So now we can write 7, 15 1s are 15. Divided by LCM is there 50. Right, as it is x by 3. 7 minus 15 is minus 8 children, write 50. Children, here see, numerator is x, denominator is 3. Here also, numerator is 8, denominator is 50. Children, 3 and 15 can easily divide it. That's why denominator is divisible by 3 1s are 3 5s are. Children, now you can write x by 1 minus 8 by 5. Cross multiple children. 5 into x is 5x. 1 into minus 8 is minus 8. Children, now we need only x value. X is equal to minus 8 is there. This plus value coming to denominator. X is equal to minus 8 by 5. Children, so this exercise will complete today. So tomorrow we will discuss about the next exercise, children. Thank you, children.